Okay, changing the bathroom tap upstairs, absolutely pouring out. Stop tap found that under the sink. There it is, a bit cobwebby. Beauty of that is turn that off and the hot water and everything is turned off because it goes through a combi boiler. There we go. So fitting them, not them, them to that, because it's absolutely pouring out. And
that's hot water.
yeah, I know, it's weird, isn't it? And there we go. Can we see them? Oh, that radiator's burning my ear. Don't know if I can see them, Jen. Oh, there we go. Right. Duck's not mine. Just take off the bath panel. It's held on by 2 screws. That's it.
Oh, look at right there, underneath the bath.
There we go, undo that one. And undo that one. There. And then unscrew the plastic washers. Pop it off and pop the new one on. I'll start undoing them. Okay, easy peasy, just undone. Lemon squeezy, and then put your hand up. That's all I'm doing is unscrewing. Ooh, so. Yeah, I'm unscrewing the plastic. Both sides. Absolutely easy peasy, and then pull the taps out and I'll fit the new ones. 2 seconds. There you go, that's simple, that's easy. I'm going to have a look at this and I'll tell you why. Look at this. We live in an area where the hard water is awful. We've gone through a couple of boilers downstairs. We get through
It's nice and shiny on top. So
a kettle,
that bit.
a kettle every year.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, I'll give that a clean and we'll fit the new one in a sec.
Fitted.
July 2007. That's when we fitted the bath. That was before my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Right, so I'll just give it a quick clean. Then we'll fit the new taps and they're straightforward. Nice brass fittings compared to the other ones.
It's better, isn't it?
So these come off.
Just saying, you did fix it once.
I know, I can't remember what I did. Take the rubbers off. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. It's not sticky back plastic, is it, that one? I don't think it is. Put it in my pocket. No, it's just foam. Okay. There he goes. And then I'll get on the floor. I'll get on the floor now and I'll put these washers in. They go round that way. So you've got little tiny ridges and that'll go up. And that sits flush on there.
Right. Do you think that's what's gone?
No. This won't leak from there. No, this is inside here. The main unit in here is gone. So either both taps have, or I think because it's a mixer, that here, somewhere,
we'll take it apart.
Pouring out everywhere. So
dissect it.
Smash it to pieces. Right, I'm going down. It's going to cost you more for this one.
I didn't get that. Do it again.
This one is really awkward in the corner. And because I'm the plumber in the house, this is going to cost you a lot more money, love. Alright? Oh yeah. It's up a bit, you don't need to go mad. Let me just, because it's only holding the taps in place. They're slightly wider than the plastic ones. I do like the metal ones, Janie. That's why it's going to cost you more. Right, you don't want to do them too much because you'll just squeeze the rubber and the rubber will just come away. Or just squeeze out the gap, it will. See the noise I'm making? It's more money. Yeah, because it's tight in this.
You're going to be in so much trouble.
Hey? I'm going to be in trouble.
How much does a plumber's mate get?
A plumber's mate? You're not a plumber's mate. You're not
Just
doing
handed the
anything.
tools.
You just ordered the
Oh, come
bloody
on.
camera.
All right. Cameraman.
How much do they get? Nothing. What? You get any chance of a bacon butty? So what they is.
Oh, that's true. Okay.
They do, don't he? All right, love. Yeah, bit dry, isn't it, down here?
Cup of tea.
No. Okay, that's that on, and all you got to do now is, you can see this. Try not to cross-thread them. Just put them on by hand. They don't need a lot because they've got self-sealing washers inside, so you only want to tweak them a little bit with the spanner. And the same that side. Just like that. Just like that. Okay, I can't do it with that hand, hold on. Okay, I'll put them on tight by hand, and now I'm going to just whack them up a little bit. Not too much. Oh, I can't even do that, not done. And I've broke a nail. That's going to be extra cost on your bill, missus. And it's dirty down here for the cobwebs. That's going to be an extra few bob.
Who cleans under the bath?
The bathroom fairy. Alright, that's it. So I'm just tweaking them up.
You're just making noises, aren't you, to pretending you're doing something?
That's a bloody awkward.
Hey, you swore then. You'll have to give
Look. Okay. It doesn't matter which end goes on here.
it goes the same, all right?
Yep. Identical. And you only have to pinch these up, you don't only have to spanner them really. That's what you have to do. Same this end. Ooh. Oh, I might be wrong. Oh, I might be wrong here. Hold on.
It says yellow.
Huh?
Hold on, let's do it on.
I wonder if I'm...
We're just lucky you got the right way round.
I don't know if I am. What's up with this one? Oh, I might be wrong. Yeah. That might go on the shower head. Because it doesn't go down very far on here. Okay.
You get the instructions.
Nope. It's not going to leak, it'll be fine. I think I'm going to look, I'm going to double check actually. Because that might be in the way of... I think on the other one that's what's leaking. They're not very... It's not the taps, that's the actual bath, it's a bit flimsy. Right, I'll go and check. I was right the first time round because this is an extended bit, because this bit, not that way around, sits in there like that.
Oh look, it's too short, the thread there.
Yeah, so there you go.
Is that actually metal?
No, plastic. I think plastic. That bit's metal.
That one's metal. Isn't it?
Plastic, I think, is it?
But it's quite light. Yeah.
Yeah, plastic. You can keep the hose.
No, it doesn't work. It leaks. That's why we've got the new,
Oh, right, okay.
the whole new one rather than.
And there we go. That's it, really. I'll put the thing on the wall in a bit. I'll get my screwdriver and...
Oh, my duck's died.
Right. Right, I'm going to go down, turn the water on, so this will be a big test in a minute, see if that lot will...
Oh, thanks. Shall I turn it on then?
Okay, the main... Done it?
Yeah.
Mains is back on. 2 seconds, just get on the floor.
No leaks.
Put your hands round, you can soon tell. Nope, we're all good.
You don't need plumber's tape or anything.
No. won't have any hot at the moment because that's the air in the system coming through. And then the final one is, well, it's not going to come because I haven't got the oven, I haven't got the heat, I haven't got this. Guess that's on. Oh, you need it.
Yeah. Oh, that's different.
There we go. Is that different, is it?
I think so, yeah. Oh, no, it's not.
Get some stick in it. We've got quite high pressure in this area as well. Anyway, that's it. I'll put the cover back on. You don't want to see that. That's boring. Thanks very much for watching. If you like the vid, if you do a thumbs up, that would make the channel. No, it doesn't make the channel. It helps the channel a phenomenal amount. Yeah, that's it. Okay, great.
Buy another tap.
Yeah, ready for the next one. It goes in like 2 years' time. So yeah, like, subscribe, share. It'd be great. And thanks very much for watching. Hope I helped somebody. Bye.
Do you want a duck?
No, I don't. Bye. It's a nail brush.
Yeah.
I haven't seen nail brushes for ages. I keep my nails trimmed. Look.